Huge coronal holes threaten our Earth. A large coronal hole in the sun makes a comeback. It could cause powerful geomagnetic storms and auroras as it turns towards Earth again. A hole in the sun's atmosphere whipped Earth's magnetic field recently with solar wind, causing powerful geomagnetic storms for nearly a full week. And now this same coronal hole is turning towards Earth again. What are coronal holes on the sun? Coronal holes are regions in the sun's atmosphere where magnetic fields allow the solar wind to escape. If the Earth's magnetic field is hit by charged particles, the effects could cause problems for radar and satellites, telephone and internet networks, and air navigation services. NOAA meteorologists, according to Apocalypse John, expect the peak of the emerging solar wind stream to reach Earth with a G1 geomagnetic storm expected to hit. So we have to keep our eyes on it. So according to today's space weather forecast, the geomagnetic storm watch has been cancelled. A CME expected to graze our Earth yesterday either missed or is approaching more slowly than expected. Either way, the geomagnetic storm watch of G1 is cancelled. Global geomagnetic activity should remain low for the rest of the weekend. The solar explosion targets Mercury instead. A huge magnetic filament erupted from the far side of the sun March 9 and today. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured only a fragment of this 500,000 kilometer wide blast. The debris from the explosion is emerging from the sun in the form of a CME, a coronal mass ejection. And the CME will not hit Earth, thank goodness. Instead, later today, it will slam into Mercury. New research shows that this will probably ignite X-ray auroras at ground level on Mercury's rocky surface. Now, what is a G1 geomagnetic storm that has been cancelled? The G1 minor geomagnetic storm impacts power systems. They get weak power grid fluctuations that can occur. Spacecraft operation, minor impact on satellites operations are possible. And other systems, migratory animals are affected at this and higher levels. Aurora is commonly visible at high latitudes, northern Michigan and Maine, according to space weather. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.